Hi, we are Piconergy, and we are a social enterprise operating out of India where more than 300 million people still do not have access to electricity. These people spend somewhere between $6 to $7.5 per month on kerosene, oil lamp, etc. for their lighting needs. Our product saves them over $260 in 3 years, and it also comes with a range of other benefits. The households who are forced to rely on kerosene, oil lamps and candles are spending huge amount of money on these sources. Not only are they expensive sources of lighting, but they are also very inefficient and polluting at the same time. They also possess an omnipresent risk of accidental fire-caused burns and also in some cases deaths. It also significantly contributes to the indoor air pollution, possessing even a further risk to the occupants in the house. There have been several energy access interventions, but they have failed due to having strong after-sales service mechanisms and other things which ensure the sustainability of the impact created. At Piconergy, we are addressing all of this. Our vision is to see a world without energy poverty. And our mission is to design, develop, and deliver clean, affordable, and reliable energy products and services for the underserved. Our first product, Helios, is a solar-powered lighting and a mobile charging solution. It is a very simple plug-and-play device which is extremely easy and friendly to use, maintain, and install. The product comes with 3 LED light bulbs, each with a 3-meter cable and a switch, a power box which houses a powerful battery and the circuitry, all of which is powered by a 5-watt peak solar panel which comes with a 4-meter cable. Depending on the usage, the system can provide you up to 15 hours of lighting backup and can also charge your mobile phone on the site. All of this priced at an affordable $38 to the end user. The end user benefits on the following fronts by using our product. Each of the bulbs that we provide are at least 10 to 15x brighter than the most brightest kerosene lamp out there, and we provide 3 of them. You can charge your mobile phone on the site, and the health and safety risk is completely eliminated for these households. It converts the whole prohibitive environment into a much conducive environment for study and also boosts the productivity of the micro enterprises or small business activities taking place in these households where they are able to work even beyond sunset hours. But interestingly, it saves them over $260 in 3 years and helps them to catalyze their socio-economic development, all at minimal environmental cost. The market that Piconergy is trying to target in the next 3 years is segmented into 2 parts. The first one being the urban underserved in Mumbai and around the Mumbai region, and the second one being the rural underserved in the rural parts of our country, India. The distribution strategy for Piconergy is addressing the urban underserved segment through its program called Agents of Care, and the rural underserved through having meaningful partnerships with NGOs and MFIs operating in those regions, where we try to leverage their existing distribution and customer base and offer our products and services. Agents of Care is a program launched by Piconergy which aims to develop local community champions or local community entrepreneurs which are recruited and trained by Piconergy, where these entrepreneurs help Piconergy by selling its energy products and rendering services. This creates employment opportunities for people from the communities, and at the same time helps us in facilitating energy access to the underserved in their communities. We have already launched this program, having trained our first agent of care, and we are preparing to increase more agents deployed on the field, specifically targeting women for this role. With the NGOs and MFIs, we have designed different partnership models where they can buy our products to be used in donation-based models, or more interestingly, they can tie up with us as sales partners, where we not only provide our product, but we also render after-sales support and other services which ensure that the impact created is sustained over a long period of time and can be amplified. The third partnership model that we have with NGOs and MFIs is to partner with them and create rural women entrepreneurs, where Piconergy trains these women on sales, technology, accounts, management, and other skills required to run their own show in their respective rural areas. Piconergy derives its revenues from the sales of its product and also rendering project development and management services to partnering organizations. At Piconergy, we understand the aspirational energy needs of the underserved, and hence we are also working at coming with energy products of higher capacities and facilitate the ascent of our existing and new customers over what we call as Piconergy Energy Ruler, where they would be able to purchase energy systems of higher capacities over a period in time. Our ask is $80,000 of grant funding over the next 3 years, which will help us for the working capital to reach break even and also expand our areas of operation. With this funding, we are confident on selling more than 8,000 units and creating more than 50 local employment opportunities, save 3,000 tons of carbon dioxide emissions, and directly benefit the studies of more than 5,000 children, and in total, positively impacting the lives of more than 40,000 people. Currently, the team at Piconergy consists of 3 core members, but with the funding, we intend to have new hires in the area of production and supply chain management, program development such as agents of care, partnerships development, and accounts. We would like to thank you for your attention and your interest in the work that we've been doing at Piconergy. We would also like to give a special thanks to the team at G